Should I buy Tesla? Oh my god! Elon Musk sending Tesla to the moon! I'm not too certain. And we're going to discuss why or why you should not buy Tesla. So check it out. Tesla is the most hyped up stock in the world right now. Everybody is talking about it. You know, a few months ago it was in the 400s. Then COVID happened. All this chaos is going on. And, you know, next thing you know, Tesla's at $1,900 right now. So what are people doing? Oh, Tesla's going to the moon! And then, yeah, maybe it's just not gonna. It's so overbought right now, it's ridiculous. The bottom line is the price to earnings ratio right now is 968 last I checked. You know, I look for stocks in the 10 to 20 range. So basically price versus earnings, it is the price reflecting on the earnings. So the price is 968 times what the earnings are. That just means it is so overbought. I would not touch it with a 10-foot pole. If anything, I'd be shorting it. It's just massively overbought, and there's this hysteria called FOMO. It's called fear of missing out. People who wanted to buy it when it was 400, which I did, by the way. I bought it at 400, I sold it at like 700, and I made a little bit of profit. Nothing wrong with making a little bit of profit. Yes, I do regret not selling it now that it's as high as it is. But, you know, right now it's at 1900. Are you really going to buy? You're really going to buy something that has gone up, what is it, 500%, 400% in the last few months? That's insanity. You do not, I've been burnt before doing this, by the way. This is a lesson I've learned. You do not want to buy a stock that is that overextended just because you think it's going to go up more. Because the mentality that's going on in people's heads is, oh my god, well, you know, it keeps going up 10% a week. Oh, it's going to continue to go up 10% a week. No, eventually it is going to crash. It could go down 20%. It could go down 50%. It could end up being lower than 1,000. I don't know. You could buy it right now and it could go up to 3,000 and you could make a lot, you know, a lot of money, but it's just too risky. I prefer to take a strategy where I know I'm going to make more money. My money is going to be worth more. It's that simple. You know, I'm buying stocks that are not going anywhere. Coca-Cola, AT&T, Verizon, Altria. You know, these are ABBV even though that's a tiny bit risky. You know, these are companies that are not going away. Tesla's not going away, but honestly, with the fundamentals, if you look at the fundamentals of Tesla and not just the hype, it should be under 1,000 right now. Now, don't get me wrong, Elon Musk may be my favorite person in the world. He is just such an amazing entrepreneur. He's genius. He's the modern day Einstein. You know, I think Teslas are a great idea for the future. We're going to be able to get pollution out of the way. We'll need less oil. That'll lead to less wars. It's great. Tesla's a great company. And if it was at, you know, 600-700 right now, I probably would be buying. But it's at 1,900 with a 968 price per earnings ratio. I didn't even realize that a company could have such a high price earnings ratio. I've never seen that before. Just to give you an example, I think that Microsoft right now and Apple right now are way too high. The price is way too high because their price to earnings ratio is around 45. This is almost 20 times that. It is insanity, people. It is overbought madness. I can't even believe how overbought it is. See? I am outraged at how much hype is going into this. People, you need to do your research. You need to start, you know, buying safer stocks. The funny thing is, the most of the people buying this Tesla, you know, you don't see these hedge funds picking it up right now. You don't see these ETFs picking it up right now. Who do you see? You see your average jabroni who's sitting at home with his little Robinhood account that he just started. Oh, I'm going to throw 200 in Tesla. Come on. It is so overbought, it's ridiculous at this point. It's a great stock, like I keep saying, but you guys got to do your research and you know, also find out what price to earnings ratio is, because anytime something's over 50, you shouldn't even look at it. You might look at this video back in a few months and it's at 3,000 and be like, oh, he's wrong, he's wrong. Granted, I'm not saying that it might not go higher. What I'm saying is the risk to reward is just too much. You don't want to be taking these kinds of risks if you want to grow long-term wealth. You know, I'm happy with compounding 10% interest a year. I know that if I continue to do this and continue to put money in, I'm going to be a millionaire in 7 to 10 years. It's that simple. Now, if I want to go, you know, buying Tesla, you know, messing with options, okay, maybe I could be a millionaire in 3 years, but maybe I could lose all of my money. So that's why I don't take these kinds of chances. You don't want to be taking these kinds of chances. It's just too risky. With that being said, Tesla's a great company. So do your own research and make sure you smash the subscribe button. That is very important. If you smash the subscribe button, you will not only get good karma, you will get awesome videos every week. Now that's all I gotta say. Do your own research. This is not investment advice, but be smart and make money, and let's get rich together.